I am Dr. Nanda Rajneesh. I am the author of a book called Life with Fibromyalgia. This book is based on my own personal experience of suffering from fibromyalgia, and also I have taken multiple references. This book is basically both for doctors and patients who are suffering from fibromyalgia, doctors who treat fibromyalgia. Let us say I have a fibromyalgia and I get diagnosed today. It may take 6 months for me to get to a stage where 99% of all the symptoms are gone. That means I am trying to say you will not get cured 100%. Because what happens, if you come out of that boundaries of the treatment, you might get it back again. Don't get depressed, because it is possible to live without symptoms but still continue to be a fibromyalgia patient. So you have to identify what helps you the best and which doctor could be the best for you to help you. That is important. And treatment and living with fibromyalgia definitely is expensive, but learn where to reduce the cost. So identify places where you can come up with a plan where you can do a massages at lesser cost. Identify a plan of medication in such a manner that those medicines don't harm your body. Read about them, because I told you, you can help yourself better than any doctor also in fibromyalgia. I have seen multiple literature written about fibromyalgia, not by the common man, by all doctors. So what does that mean? Even doctor himself did not know how to handle it, like me. I am a surgeon. I did not know a word of fibromyalgia. Like when I was told I have a fibromyalgia, I was thinking, hey, what is this disease? Like, I've only heard it in some few infections. So I had to really read for nearly 5 years to know what this fibromyalgia, apart from just suffering. So like a lot of times you might have to change your profession. If your profession involves repetitive stress, lot of standing, lot of work, you have to change the kind of work you do. You have to minimize the damage to your body, physical stress to your body. And always go on a diet which does not cause inflammation in your body. Find out if you are allergic to any foods by doing some food allergy tests. And find out if you have any infections in your body, and that can be treated and cured. But even after cure of all those issues, you can still have fibromyalgia issues on and off. So learn when to stop doing a physical work, lot of physical work. That's the most important tip I would say. Like if I start getting little tiredness in my legs, I stop walking. That is important. If I'm walking with my husband, I would have planned to do one big round of walk. Halfway, if I start, hey Rajneesh, I'm not feeling well, I tell my husband, let me go back, drop me and come back, finish your walk yourself. So learn to stop, learn to say no when to say no. Because instead of completely going down, you'd rather just do half work. Do it next day. It's important. Okay. The biggest issue with fibromyalgia patient is sometimes it's loss of jobs, loss of companion, relationship issues can happen, your partner may not support you like the way I got support from my friends and partners. So be expressive to say, yes, I am going through this, please help me. Do not hesitate to ask for help when it is needed to your own friends who can understand you better. Do not be very aggressive with your thoughts and with your negative emotions, because I have had experience where I used to get very angry when I was going through a lot of pains. So because when we are suffering from pain, we don't know how we react to the situation. So wait to react to the situation. Let us say you are suffering from fibromyalgia, you have come across your assistant who has not done a good job, immediately do not react to him, wait to react. Find out what was an issue, why it happened, then react. Maybe giving a time, your reactions will change. That can make you a better person, and because if you react and if it can have a negative impact on you, that negative impact can even increase your fibromyalgia, because mind and body is connected in a big way in fibromyalgia patients.